Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we can manage access permission of tasks and projects. So, let's start. First of all, we have to go in task and project section and there will be an option of more. We just have to click on that and there we will get an option of access permission. You have to click on that access permission. Once you click on that access permission, you can see there are the various roles which have been predefined or you can create according to your requirements. For example, supervisor, employee, manager, Bitrix24 employees, roles. So you can create it according to your requirements. Then we are having what are the permission you wanted to give in that particular task. For example, if you wanted to edit task, delete, delegate task, add participants, change assignee, and so on. So these are all the permissions you can give according to your requirements. For example, supervisor, you wanted to give all the permission to supervisor, you can directly on it and just save it, so it will give the permission to the supervisor. I'll be showing you how you create a one role. Okay, you just have to click on create role and we can give the name as demo role. So, and what are the permissions which you wanted to give? For example, I wanted to delegate task, add participants, and change assignee. So once is it done, we will just save it. Okay. So as of now, you can see our demo role has been saved. And sometimes it happens that you wanted to create the duplicate of that particular role. So what you can do, there is an option of clone role. You just have to click on clone role and choose demo role, and you can see the same permit with the same permission it has been created the demo role, and we can name that particular role. So you can see this is how you can manage your access permission of tasks and projects. You can also add employees and departments if you wanted in that particular by clicking on it. For example, you wanted to choose any of your employee, you can choose it from here itself. Or if you wanted to choose from a project, work group, or employees and department, you just have to click it over here and choose it from here itself. So this is how it works. As of now, you can see I have added a complete department over here in this manager section. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video more helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comments below. I will see you in the next one.